Hi guys, it's Cassie and today we have another luxury haul filled with, oh, things are dropping. We have really got some fabulous pieces to be out here flexing in the spring, summer. You know, the sun's coming out a little bit, okay, and I'm ready to turn out some looks. This is following on from my shopping vlog. I did a shopping vlog recently and picked some of these up. Also, some of these things I have ordered online, so I will be going through and telling you where I got everything and all of that. All of the links to these items will be below in case you want a twin, I don't know. We have ready-to-wear accessories, shoes. Let's get into it. Starting off with Versace. So the first piece I got, look at her. Don't get caught on that. Okay, is this. So this is technically a pajama top, okay? This is the flash print. Oh, the colours. Oh my gosh, it's just so delicious for spring, summer. Lilacs and greens and yellows and golds and whites and blues and all of the colours, but they all work so fabulously together. It gives me a very baroque, a very fancy botanical garden. Are you getting that? Maybe. I don't know. So I got this in a size 2. The pajama aspects of it are that it has 2 little pockets down here. Why it's like, do like traditional pajamas have those? Like, what am I putting in my pockets that I'm taking to bed? Like, what? Anyway, I love the fact that it's oversized. I think for spring, summer, I want the air flowing. All right? I don't want anything too restrictive, light, airy, fabulous. Imagine this with a belt, all right? I'm still unpacking. I haven't quite found the belts yet, so hear me out. This is brunch. You want to do a brunch moment where you want to get the heads turning a little bit, but you also want to be like comfy, cozy, like, oh, this whole thing, you know that vibe? This is very much it. It also gives me mob wife, okay? It gives me I plead the fifth. It gives me I can't snitch on him because we're married situation. You know that law? It gives me that, okay? And I kind of love it. It's also beach cover-up. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it. So head down and subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Okay, item number 2. Jumping on the back of that one, you know, I simply had to get the matching shorts. I love an elasticated waist, right? I want to feel free in the warmer months. I don't want to be worrying that if I have, you know, a larger lunch, that my short's going to look a little bit different in this area for the rest of the afternoon. You know what I mean? An elasticated waist makes that a lot easier. These are in the size 3, okay? And they're a little bit boxery. They do have this little sort of boxer, but it is in the women's section. I don't know what they were going with that, but I'm here for it. No pockets, do keep that in mind. But again, light, airy. You've got a little double Medusa hair right in the butt crack. Love that. Peeping out, letting everyone know. Like, this is just light and airy. Okay, if I thought the last one was Mob Wives, this is Mob Wives on a family vacation to Sicily. That is exactly what this is. Airy, light. I feel like I could do all of the activities in this. You know, you don't even need to match. You know, you can just do white bodysuit, this, sneakers, and off you go. And because it's such a statement, it looks like people will be like, oh my gosh, what a look. And really, it's all the shorts, but I will take the credit anyway. Thank you very much. Okay, so I mentioned this in my, like, spring must-haves video. And I haven't been able to stop thinking about it since. This is the Attico Parma dress, okay? And it is just, so I got the black one, it's also available in khaki. It's just a fabulous sweater dress, right? You've got some little sort of, little bit of sexiness there on the sides, elastic at the back, so it falls so nice that, again, I will try it on for you. So I got this from FARFETCH, which is the sponsor of today's video. We love FARFETCH over here, and that means that I have a code for you, so keep listening. Guys, you know, I've been working with FARFETCH for ages now, and I've been buying from them for well before that. I am such a fan. Not only does it have all of my luxury favourites and everything, but they also do home stuff. And as you know, I have recently moved, so I've definitely been perusing and adding more and more home stuff to the wish list. So much fabulousness. If you didn't know, FARFETCH is basically an online platform that takes boutiques from all over the world and puts them onto one site. So all you do is you just go, you find something you love, and then it gets dispatched to you from wherever it is in the world. So the pieces that I got from FARFETCH in this haul, I will let you know exactly where they came from because it's interesting. It's a fun fact. It's a fun fact. Also, what's really good to know is that their prices include customs and like import tax and all of that, which is very handy considering that some of us have left the European Union. We now have to think about these things. That's always just good to know when you're shopping. It just makes life easier. I have an edit on FARFETCH. It might be here for you to peruse, where I like to put some of my wish list items in case you're interested in having a look at some of those. It will be linked below. They also have a loyalty scheme called Access, so basically the more you shop on FARFETCH, the more benefits you unlock, maybe a discount here and there, maybe a free shipping here and there. My code is on the screen right here. Go forth, use it, shop. I will put the terms and conditions below. There are some brand exclusions. I will have those brands listed below as well. Use it, have a great time. Thank you so much to FARFETCH for sponsoring this video. So, this dress came from, hold on a second, a boutique called, I'm going to try my best, Spazio Pretelli, is from Rimini in Italy, so that's fabulous. I got this in a size medium, which is perfect for me. I'm a UK size 10, US 6, and it also has, so the little Attico symbol is this little A, which a lot of people think looks like Star Trek or something. And although I have not ever watched Star Trek, I don't really care. I think it looks kind of cute. And, you know, like, if people think, then, you know, Klingon, whatever. But it's just one of those easy looks, comfy, cozy, fabulous. Oh, hi there. What a look, what a moment, what an easy dress. This is just so comfy. Because the boots are still quite neutral, the dress is neutral, let's give her a pop. Why not with the Bottega bag? Okay, so we have the slits up the side, but look, you can Jimmy Riddle the dress down a bit if you want it a little bit lower, or if you're like, no, let's sex it up, you can really bring it up as much as you want. Yes, queen. Get it, girl. Get into it. Item number 4 is something that would look absolutely fabulous with that dress. Oh my gosh, and that is Gucci belt. Again, I mentioned this in my spring must-haves video and haven't stopped thinking about it. I actually did take a chance on a Versace chain belt. There was a whole rigmarole with that, but basically it did not work out. So I went for this. She's heavy, she's fabulous. I love chain belts, and obviously, like, you think of chain belt, you think of Chanel, right? So I love that it's Gucci, it's something different, the chains are thick. Again, I got this from FARFETCH, and this one actually came from Browns, which is a London boutique, so very close to home. Also, so I got the size 80 centimetres, so it doesn't hang too low on the thigh, because I did think, you know, if I'm walking with a little bit of gusto, right, next thing you know, that knocks into somebody, I get done for GBH, grievous bodily harm. And I don't want to go to court, you know? So I got it to fall a little bit higher so I don't have to worry about that. You could actually probably double this up and do a necklace as well. I don't know, but you can get creative with it. Again, it's just a great way to add some flavour, add some pop to a look that's a bit unexpected and very fabulous. Here we are. I mean, what a pop. What a pop. Jingle jangle it, queen. Do it, okay? I mean, it just gives so much extra to a very simple look, you know? And these are the pieces that we really love. Riding the Gucci train. So, this one, again, featured it in my shopping vlog. And I actually didn't buy it on the day that I did that shopping vlog. I tried it on and I was like, it's amazing, but you know, I've already decided what I'm going to get today probably, and this wasn't on the list, and I was trying to be a responsible adult and stick to the budget. And then you all bullied me in the comments, and you were like, you have to get those shorts. There is no way that you have left without those shorts. You definitely got the shorts. And I went back 2 days later and I got the sodding shorts, yes. So these are from the Gucci Multicolour collection, which, let me tell you, has some absolute gems. They're everything. The tailoring on these. So I got a size 40, and then you've got like the cuffing at the bottom. These are just fabulous. Once again, much like the Versace elasticated shorts, you could do black bodysuit, black trainers, white bodysuit, white trainers, white t-shirt, whatever, right? And just have these as the focal point. Or you can dress them up and you can do a white shirt and some heels, you know, like, oh, She is the pièce de résistance. She is the star of the mother effing show. I am obsessed, so thank you for bullying me in a nice way. Well, well, well. Is this not an easy, casual flex? Is that not what this is? Exhibit A of easy casual flex. The shorts are front and centre, okay? We've just got a casual white shirt. Don't come at me for the fact that I haven't ironed it, okay? I couldn't be bothered. This is everything. This could be an LA vibe, a Mykonos moment, a Tokyo twist. What was that? A South African safari moment, a Brazil situation. Wherever the hell you are in the world, if there is a sun and it's time for shorts, this is the look. Now we have some shoes. I have been wanting to get a pair of Rene Caovilla, I'm so sorry, for years now, right? And for some reason, you know when you have something on your wish list, but then other things trump it, and you're like, you know, no, I'll wait for that, I'll keep waiting, blah, blah, blah. But then I saw this colourway, and I was like, and this is why I didn't get them. My time has come, this colourway is perfect for me. Okay, so these are the Diana sandals, and look at the ombre. It's like blues, greens, a lime. Like, this is just, the colours are so delicious. It looks like sherbet. I want to eat it. It looks like a fabulous, fabulous sweet. They are so simple and timeless and all of that. And then you just have this little pop of sparkle. Like, you literally bring these out every year. The sun beams down, glistening, glistening. What's that happening on those women's toes? She looks like an ethereal goddess. Yes, she is. But these are just helping it be noticed a bit more, you know? They would literally go with anything. No matter what colour you get, to be very honest with you, they'd go with everything because they're quite naked as shoes. These are actually in a size 39.5, and I would say that they fit perfectly because you don't want your toes to overshoot the crystals. You want everything to stay in line, you know? I did go a half a size up from what I usually do. Those sandals actually came from a boutique called Tiffany in Forte de Marmi, Italy. So, another thing that I picked up on my shopping trip, this is gonna look all over the place. Okay, so the top of it, again, it's from the multicolour collection. You've got the red and the green, you've got the navy straps, and then on the bottoms, you've got blue on the front, pink at the back. And I just love, watch me try and demonstrate this. I love all of the colours together. I think it's fun for the beach, for a pool situation. I might be going away, I might not. Either way, I'm ready for when that day comes, you know? So, one thing I do have to say is, why? Look, this is on the titty cup, okay? Why is that so long? You couldn't have just made a small one. You couldn't have made it like rippable. Some of them I've seen are rippable. So I got this in a size small. Let me know what was your favourite piece. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again to FARFETCH for sponsoring. This is my code once again as a little reminder in case there's anything that you've seen that piques your interest, you know. Go ahead, use the code. Why not? Okay, I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.